You hear the REM pod? Let me see, is this the one? Thank you. I don't know if you can see that, but there's somebody popping up right here. In the back.
Ashes.
Ashes.
Him.
Who's him? Look. The REM pod right there. Wait a minute. You see it? Can you hit that again? Thank you. You guys see that? Can you do it again? Please? Thank you. Listen, guys. Thank you. That was on command. On command. How you feel about that? On command. Thank you. I'm so excited. I finally got a good video. Even though it's in my car, I'm excited because I've been trying to do this for the longest time. I got one battery, I got one line left. So there is a 35-minute
We can affect you.
Don't! You cannot affect me. No! Turn it off. I don't want, you're not allowed to affect me. Absolutely not. I got the white light on me, I got God. I got Jesus to cover me. He will protect me. You cannot. In my earlier video that I did this morning, it said scratch. So, you'll see that in my earlier video. I uploaded it already. Alright guys, it's been 35 minutes, almost 36 minutes. My camera will probably go for 45 minutes. So as long as I keep it charged.
Good and evil here.
As long as I keep it charged all the way. So anyway, I just want to say thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This was actually a really good video for me. I enjoyed it. My dad came through. I think my mom was even here. You know, other people, other presents were here. They keep hitting the REM pod. Like, I had so much confirmation. And so for now on, I will be doing with my camcord. I'm going to get a better one so the battery lasts longer. So I can get one that A battery can last longer. But anyway, thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And share. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.
It's not me.
Share on social media, any platform. I want to at least get 100 subscribers.
Alexander.
I want to get 100 subscribers. This is just the beginning. This was I'm satisfied. I don't know if you are, but I am. Anyways, enjoy your Friday. I'll see you soon.